Hi guys, this is Jude from 𝐂𝐃𝐃𝐃𝐈𝐓𝐿𝐼. I made this quick video to inform you of an exceptional upcoming promo from IPVanish. For those who may not know, IPVanish is an award-winning VPN service provider with over 1,300 servers in 75 locations across all continents. Known for its fast speed, unlimited bandwidth, excellent encryption, zero-log policy, and support for special services like torrenting and other peer-to-peer, with IPVanish you can connect from 10 different devices at the same time with a single subscription. That's the most I've seen with any VPN service provider. Lots and lots of other incredible features to keep your online activities secure, private, and flexible. I'll be making a more in-depth review of IPVanish in a week or so, but for now I felt I should inform you guys of this incredible opportunity to grab yourselves one of the best VPN services on the planet for less than 30% of the cost. This is in recognition of World VPN Week, first of its kind. IPVanish is offering a time-limited BOGO on its 1-year subscription plan, so you buy 1 year, you get the second year for free, which amounts to a total savings of 73% off the actual cost. This offer opens on April 13th and continues till April 20th, so you have 1 full week to grab yourselves an incredible online protection for only 27% of the actual cost. I'll be leaving a link to this promo down the video description. Again, the date is from 13th to 28th of April, World VPN Week celebration. Recently, I posted a video highlighting the need for VPN and what to look out for when choosing a VPN provider. If you are wondering whether or not you need a VPN, then this video can help you figure that out. I will leave the link down the description as well. And that is it for this tutorial. Make sure you subscribe and turn on notifications to keep up with such opportunities and other tech tutorials on the channel. Don't forget to drop us a like if you found this video helpful, and remember to share this opportunity with anyone you think needs such security and privacy for their online activities, which these days is basically everyone. Anyways, thanks for watching guys, and see you in the next one.